Welcome to the installation video for our PSB 709. Here we have the housing with the original bushing having been removed and the new PSB bushing ready to be installed. Place the PSB lubricant that we supply on the inner part of the housing as well as the inner part of the bushing. You can then install using a press as you see here. You can then insert the sleeve using a rubber mallet. And there you have our installed PSB 709. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We'll regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.